How to check your entire watch history on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can check your watch history on Twitter. Well, if you're wondering how you can check it, let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Twitter application. Make sure you're logged into your account that you want to check the watch history of. Next thing, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and then scroll down and until you find the option settings and support, and under it you want to head into settings and privacy option. Once on settings and privacy, you can see the very first option, your account. You want to simply tap on it. Here you can see account information, change your password, download and archive of your data option. You want to simply tap on download and archive of your data option. What you want to do is you want to request for your data. You won't be able to check the watch history on the Twitter application, unfortunately. You'll have to get the data, you'll have to download it on your device. You'll have to request it first, and once you get it, you want to get it, and once you get it, you can open it up and you'll be able to view your watch history on that particular data. So you want to download an archive of your data. You want to come onto this option, and here you want to enter in your password and request for your data. You might get it on mail. So this way you can check watch history on Twitter. I hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.